Bonjour et bienvenue de nouveau chez French Sounds. Welcome to French Sounds. This week we're going to continue our work on the French R. We'll be pronouncing it in many different words, in front of and after different vowels and semivowels. Let's recall that the French R is pronounced in a very different way from the English R. In English, the tongue is curved up and the tip of the tongue is not touching anything in the mouth, and you have a sound, like red. For the French R, on the other hand, the tip of the tongue stays down. The tip of the tongue is touching the back of the lower teeth, and there is a friction or gargling sound back in the throat. That friction or gargling sound can be stronger or softer depending on individual preference, depending on dialect, or depending on its position in the word. But the important thing is to make the sound in the back of the throat. Now, some people have difficulty forming this sound in the back of the throat. So one thing that can be helpful is keeping the tongue down, pushing the tip of the tongue against the back of the lower teeth, and pronouncing an H-type sound. And once you're comfortable with that position and pronouncing an H instead of the R in words with R, then you can add a stronger airflow that will cause friction in the back of the throat. Ah, ah. Okay, so let's try it. The easiest way is to use the ah, because the mouth is wide open, the tongue is kept down in the exact position as for the R. Ah, ra, rare. So there you have the word rare. Let's try some words where the R is an initial position. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Ri, rue, roue, ré, heureux, robe, raide, fureur, robe, rat. And now with some nasal vowels. Rein, rend, rond. And semivowels. Roi, ruisseau, rien. Now let's try some words where the R is in final position, and sometimes also in initial position. But it's the final position we will focus on now. An R in a final position will generally be pronounced more softly. Okay, so let's start. Rire, rupture, four, faire, heure, or, rare. Very good. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you next week. Merci. Au revoir.